Going to have a look at the slow motion video on the iPad. To access this, we go into the normal camera app, and then on the right hand side we have video, photo and square. If we scroll that down a couple of times, we get to slow-mo. And to demonstrate this, I'm going to use this online stopwatch. So as I start the stopwatch and I press record on the camera, I'm going to record 10 seconds. So as you can see in real time, this is a normal 10 seconds. So I'll stop recording it. And when I go to the photos album, have a look at what I've recorded, press play. And as you can see, this is clearly slowed down. We can pause it. We can scroll left and right along the timeline of the video, pausing at any point, pressing play, and again we can scroll while it's playing. So this could be quite useful, for instance, with a visually impaired pupil in a science experiment, to help them slow the experiment down and see what's happening.